Hi, welcome to the channel. We're back today. Claire's back in the kitchen with me. And what are we making today?
Butterfingers.
We're going to make some Butterfingers. About a year ago, we did Paydays.
Yep.
That were just really, really good.
For the payday.
So we thought we'd try Butterfinger. And Miss P is going to help us. So, first, we have a cup and a half of candy corn. Pour it in the pan. We're going to melt that. And then we've got 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. Bring that on. Here. Paisley. Paisley's going to crunch it up.
You're doing a good job.
Let me get the air out of it. There. See, take your roller. Watch. Go. Yeah, that's the...
So if you haven't been able to catch up on this, we are candy people around here. So, you know, learning how to make our own candy is very fun because we just really enjoy candy.
Yeah, we haven't done a video in a while.
No, we have not.
And yesterday was Miss P's second birthday.
Second birthday, we had a party.
And then, do you want to share?
Oh, and so then Paisley is going to be a big sister. Why are you crying?
I don't like him.
Why?
Because he's so noisy.
So we don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, but it doesn't really matter. But due date is late October, so that should be good.
Yeah, we're all excited.
Yeah.
This will be our third great grandchild.
Yeah.
Is that melting yet? Or?
Yeah, it's starting to. Third great grandchild for Mamaw and Papa.
Okay. Is it on high or?
Yeah. No.
No, you turn it down.
Okay, so now we got it pretty much all melted. Turn it down.
You gonna pour this in?
Ooh. Ha.
Yeah, that's hot. Okay, you pour it in there. Don't touch the pan.
Pour it in, honey.
Pour it in. Good
Yay.
job. And then we're going to pour it in here after it's all done.
I'm excited because Butterfingers are one of my favorites. Personally, I could eat 4 or 5 of the king size ones.
We'll put it in here and then mash it down. Yeah, it's hot. Don't touch.
And then mash it down.
Yeah.
Oops.
Maybe it will fit the whole pan.
Yeah, I think it will. It just depends on how thick you want it. How thick do we want it?
Well,
Hey, how?
it's hot.
Okay, help me. Help mommy, but it's hot, so be careful, okay? Good job, Miss P.
Get good.
Yeah. Paisley learned how to use a rolling pin today, so there's lots of things going on up here in this little brain, like how to count. 1, 3,
It's hot.
5, 7,
9. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Okay, so we're going to let this cool, and then we'll melt chocolate, cut this.
And then dip them in.
Dip them in. So we'll be back after it's cooled.
Cheese. Cheese.
Say cheese.
Bobby, 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 Bobby. Ha.
Yeah, it's hot.
All right, well, the middle is hard now, so we're going to cut it
Let Mommy
down
cut
the
it.
middle, and then we're going to go like this, and then we've got our chocolate melted. So we're going to hope it doesn't break.
Oh, we're going to have bite size.
Woo. No, on.
Ooh. Oh. Hey, we're getting somewhere, folks. Hey, Miss
You
P.
get back. Okay.
Woo! Okay, this is hard to cut.
So hard as a rock. Look at
Watch out. Watch your hands. Paisley. Ah! What about them apples? I think it does, honestly. It looks like a Butterfinger. Alright, well, we aren't sure if this is a fail or a win, but we will, you know. I don't know. I think
they're good.
they're good. Mamaw doesn't think they taste like Butterfinger. I think that it does. It's a little harder than a Butterfinger, but yeah. So anyways, if you like this video, let us know in the comments, and also let us know if there's any other chocolate bar candy that we should try, because we will do it for sure. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Bye.
Paisley, can you say bye?
Well,
Here, stand up. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.